Searching for the most effective Hostinger coupon code for 2025? You've come to the perfect spot. Hostinger is known for affordable hosting, and using a verified Hostinger coupon code will help you cut the cost even further. In today's video, I'll explain why Hostinger continues to outperform other providers in 2025. The exclusive offer link is already in the pinned comment below. Hostinger's biggest advantage is affordability. Their plans start at just a few dollars per month, easily one of the lowest prices you'll find in 2025. But despite being budget-friendly, the performance you get is seriously impressive. Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers, meaning your website loads super fast. When it comes to features, Hostinger gives you a lot for what you pay. Every plan includes a free SSL certificate, weekly backups, or even a free domain for the first year. Higher tier plans add even more, like daily and on-demand backups, AI-powered site creation, or free CDN for maximum speed. You can also get extra RAM for smooth performance, a dedicated IP for stability, and priority 24/7 expert support. Prices may differ due to seasonal deals, but the up-to-date discount links can always be found in the pinned comment. I also recommend checking all available features to make sure you choose the plan that fits your needs best. The control panel, called H-Panel, is simple, clean, and made for everyone. It's much easier to use than cPanel and gives you everything you need in one place. Performance and reliability are also on point. Uptime is very stable, and Hostinger's servers handle all kinds of websites perfectly, like blog or business website. Support is another strong side. You get 24/7 live chat assistance that's fast and helpful. Overall, Hostinger in 2025 stands out as one of the best hosting providers for users who want reliability, performance, and great value. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. Everything you need to get your website online without stress. And the best part, you don't need to pay full price. Right now, you can grab an exclusive Hostinger discount. Just click the first link in the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, leave a comment with your thoughts on Hostinger, and subscribe for more web hosting tips and deal updates. See you soon.